Hello everyone, मैं BL Sharma Math sir discussing exercise 7.2 of class 9 chapter 7, that is triangles. And the question number 1 is on your screen, and this question says that in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, there is a triangle ABC, and this triangle is an isosceles triangle, means the two sides are equal, in which AB is equal to AC. ये AB and this AC, the two sides are equal, and bisector of angle B and bisector of angle C intersect each other at O. Bisect means divide into two equal parts. So bisector of angle B and angle C, the two bisector of angle B and angle C are intersecting at point O. And O is joined with A. And now we have to show that this OB is equal to OC, and this angle AO bisect angle A, means this angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. We know that half of angle ABC, because AB is equal to AC. ये AB और ये AC इक्वल है, और ये एंगल हाफ ऑफ एंगल ABC, because this BO bisect angle B, means half of angle ABC, that is angle ABO is equal to angle CBO. Similarly, half of angle ACB इज इक्वल टू एंगल ACO इज इक्वल टू एंगल BCO. ये बाइसेक करती है इस एंगल B को, और ये CO बाइसेक करता है एंगल C को. मैंने इसको दो बार लिखा है. दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. टू प्रूव OB इज इक्वल टू OC एंड AO बाइसेक्ट एंगल A, और एंगल BAO इज इक्वल टू एंगल CAO. प्रूफ in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we know AB is equal to AC. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. It is said AB is equal to AC. That is why angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. The whole angle ABC, this angle ABC, means this angle ABC is equal to this angle ACB. Take half of angle ABC is equal to half of angle ACB. That is why we can say angle CBO. ये angle और ये angle भी equal होंगे. CBO is this angle. This angle. Again, you see in triangle OBC, this angle CBO, means this angle, is equal to this angle. Two angles are equal. And we know that in a triangle, if two angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal, means sides opposite to equal angles are also equal in a triangle. So we can write OB is equal to OC. क्यों लिखा हमने? ये दो एंगल इक्वल है ट्राइंगल OBC में, तो इनकी अपोजिट साइड OB और OC भी इक्वल होगी. ये देखिए इक्वल है. य- यही हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट है. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज प्रूव्ड. Got it? Now we have to take this triangle AOB and triangle AOC. You will see here AB is equal to AC. BO is equal to CO, we already have proved here. And this angle is equal to angle this angle. क्योंकि ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल है, इस एक बाइसेक्ट है, तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल भी इक्वल होगा. सो बाय SAS congruency rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. By CPCT, this angle is equal to this angle. By CPCT, BAO is equal to angle CAO, or means angle thus AO bisect angle A, proved. Second part. That's all for this question. इसको हमें एक को मिटा देना चाहिए. ये देखिए, दैट्स ऑल. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector means this is 90 and this is 90. Bisector means bisect the line segment BC, means D is midpoint of BC. What is given? In the figure, in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. It means ABC is equal to CD, BD is equal to CD, and perpendicular means angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. This is given. To prove AB is equal to AC, for that we have to prove that these two triangles ADB and triangle ADC are two congruent triangles, and then by CPCT we will get this result. So now in triangle, to prove AB is equal to AC, proof. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, AD is equal to AD, कॉमन. ये देखिए साइड कॉमन है दोनों ट्राइंगल में. एंगल ADB is equal to angle ADC 9 degree and BD is equal to CD, it is given. So by side angle side property, the two triangles are congruent. Thus by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. Proved. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means and means AB is equal to AC है, दो साइड्स इक्वल है. BE and CF are perpendicular. Perpendicular means altitudes. Altitudes क्या होते हैं? Perpendicular drawn from a vertex to its opposite side. Altitude means किसी भी ट्राइंगल के वर्टेक्स से अपोजिट साइड पे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करोगे, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज ऑल्टीट्यूड. इट मींस बीई इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AC. Similarly, CF is perpendicular to AB, means this angle is 9 degree, this angle 9 degree, all these angles are 9 degree, and we have to prove that now these altitudes are also equal. BE and CF are altitude. It means this angle is 9 degree. Similarly, this angle is also 90 degree. And AC is equal to AB. AB given है, दो sides equal है. It is given the two sides AC and AB are equal. टू प्रूव BE इज इक्वल टू CF, तो ये जो ऑल्टीट्यूड्स है वो भी इक्वल होंगे, ये क्वेश्चन है. जो इक्वल साइड पे ऑल्टीट्यूड्स ड्रॉ किए हैं हमने उसके अपोजिट वर्टेक्स से, दीज ऑल्टीट्यूड्स आर आल्सो इक्वल, वी हैव टू प्रूव इट। सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नाउ, वी हैव टू ट्राइंगल, टेक ट्राइंगल, हमें ट्राइंगल लेना पड़ेगा ए ई बी, देखिए दिस वन, एंड अदर ट्राइंगल इज ए एफ सी। इन ट्राइंगल ए बी एंड ए एफ सी देखो क्या क्या इक्वल है, एंगल ए इज कॉमन, दोनों ट्राइंगल में एंगल ए कॉमन है, एंड एंगल ए ई बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल ए एफ सी, ये 9 डिग्री है, और एक ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए सी गिवन है। सी दिस एंगल 90 डिग्री एंड दिस साइड, वन साइड common angle 9 degrees. Similarly, for the other triangle, common angle 90 this side, similarly common angle 90 and this side. So the two triangles are congruent, and so by CPCT, BE is equal to CF. Hence proved. यहां पे आपको रूल लिख देना चाहिए, by AAS, angle angle side congruency rule. That's all. ABC is a triangle in which BE and CF are perpendiculars, and these perpendiculars are equal, or sorry, altitudes. These altitudes are equal. ABC ट्राइंगल में ये BE परपेंडिकुलर है AC पे, इसलिए क्योंकि ये वर्टेक्स से अपोजिट साइड पे 9 डिग्री बना रहा है, दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज ऑल्टीट्यूड। This CF is also altitude drawn from vertex C to the opposite side AB. It means this angle is 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree. It is given. It is also given that these altitudes are also equal, means BE is equal to CF given है। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का कन्वर्स है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में गिवन था AB और AC इक्वल है, इसमें गिवन है ऑल्टीट्यूड्स इक्वल हैं। I'm writing here, given in the figure in triangle ABC, BE and CF are altitudes, or BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB, and BE is equal to CF. These altitudes are equal. To prove this triangle, means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, means we have to prove that AB is equal to AC. But before that, we have to prove that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So for that, we have to take triangle ABE first, ABE, and triangle ACF. दोनों में एंगल एक कॉमन है, देखिएगा। एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल ए, AEB इज इक्वल टू एंगल AFC, ये गिवन है 9 डिग्री, परपेंडिकुलर है, ऑल्टीट्यूड है, एंड BE इज इक्वल टू CF, ये भी गिवन है। Therefore, triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACF. First part is proved. And by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. Second part is proved. So, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because the triangle having any two sides are equal, that triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. That is proved. ये इसमें एंगल एक कॉमन है, दैट्स ऑल। In the given figure, it is given that AB is equal to ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle, दो isosceles triangle है इसमें, देखिए ये ए बी ए सी के इक्वल है और ये बी डी सी डी के इक्वल है. Isosceles means a triangle having two sides equal, said to be isosceles triangle. We have to prove that this angle ABD is equal to this angle ACD. To prove, देखिए वेरी वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी में देखिए ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल है एंड वी नो दैट एंगल्स अपोजिट इक्वल साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल आर इक्वल. तो जो इक्वल साइड है उनके अपोजिट एंगल्स मीन्स उनके सामने वाले एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. दैट इज वाई एंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल ए सी बी. ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल हो गए. सिमिलरली फॉर द ट्राइंगल दिस BD is equal to CD. So this angle is equal to this angle means BDC is equal to DBC is equal to DCB. Same reason. ये एंगल इसके इक्वल से एंड दिस इक्वल. इन दोनों को ऐड करिए मीन्स एडिंग दिस एंड दिस मीन्स दिस लेफ्ट टू लेफ्ट राइट टू राइट ABC प्लस DBC. राइट ACB प्लस DCB. ABC प्लस DBC. ABC plus DBC, that is ABD, and ACB plus DCB is equal to ACD, sorry. Proved. अगर आप एस से करना चाहते तो देखिए इन ट्राइंगल ए बी डी एंड इन ट्राइंगल ए सी डी, ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए सी डी इज इक्वल टू बी डी एंड ए डी कॉमन. So by side, the two triangle ABD and triangle ACD are congruent, and by CPCT, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. You can do by SSS congruency rule and then by CPCT. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. BA is produced to a point D where AD is equal to AB. ABC एक आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल है जिसमें AB और AC इक्वल है. BA को एक्सटेंड किया, प्रोड्यूस किया D तक. कैसे प्रोड्यूस किया कि ये AD और AB इक्वल है. इट मींस ऑल दीज थ्री साइड दिस इक्वल टू दिस इक्वल टू दिस इक्वल टू दिस मींस AB AC and AD, all these three sides are equal, and we complete the triangle BCD. We have to prove that this BCD angle, this angle is 90 degree. Given in the figure, AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB. That is why we can say all these three sides AB, AC and AD are equal. To prove angle BCD is equal to 90 degree, how to prove it? Very simple. We are taking the two triangle proof. See the proof in triangle ABC. This angle is x degree, then this angle will also will be equal to x degree. The reason is AB is equal to AC. So in a triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. हमें पहले मान लिया कि ये जो एंगल है वो x है और ये एंगल y है. अगर ये एंगल x है ACB, then angle ABC will also be equal to x degree. In triangle ABCC, AB is equal to AC given. That is why this angle will be equal to this angle. The reason is एंगल्स अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल। अगर ये x डिग्री है, इट मींस this angle is x degree. Similarly, this angle is also x degree. Further, in triangle ADC, AC is equal to AD. Therefore, their opposite angles are also equal. This angle is equal to this angle. But we already have supposed this angle is ADC is equal to y degree. So angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. Both are equal to y degree. So write here y degree. This is y degree and this is also y degree. Same reason. ये एंगल है एक्स, दिस एंगल एक्स, दिस एंगल वाई, दिस एंगल वाई। लेकिन अब हमें ट्राइंगल कंप्लीट लेना पड़ेगा डी सी बी। We know the sum of three angles of all three angles of a triangle is that is equal to 180 degrees. So angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle BDC. This and this BCD. Their sum is 180 degree by angle sum property. DBC is x degree. BCD is x plus y degree. BDC is y degree. That is equal to 180 degree. X or x to x, y plus y to y. So twice of x plus twice y, that is equal to 180 degree. Taking 2 common, x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Here you will see. Here you will see that this is x plus y. So BCD equal to 90 degree proved. This angle is BCDC. X plus y is equal to BCD and that is equal to 90 degrees. So angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. That's all. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and C. देखिए, we draw a figure from the given information. ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle A is 90 degree. So what is given in the figure in triangle ABC? Angle A is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. The two sides are equal. To find angle B and angle C. Solution C. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. When two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. That is why angle B is equal to angle C, because the side opposite to angle side AB is equal to angle C and opposite to angle side AC, that is angle B. So angle B is equal to angle C. Now, this angle B is equal to angle C. By angle sum property, now we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A in place of angle A 90 degree, angle B plus in place of angle C, you also write angle B. C की जगह angle B लिख दीजिए. Right is angle B in place of angle C. So that is 180 degree. 90 plus angle B plus B is equal to 180 degree. So twice of B. 90 plus twice of B is equal to 180 degree. So twice of angle B is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So angle B is 90 upon T, that is 45 degree. B angle 45 degree है. B and C angle are equal. It means this angle is 45 degree. This angle is also 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. This angle is also 45 degree. That's all. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees, means each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree, and we know that if a triangle is equilateral, if its all three sides are equal. So, first of all, we have to visualize it through the diagram. We draw an equilateral triangle ABC in which AB, BC, and AC are equal. This is an equilateral triangle in which AB, BC, and AC are equal, means all three sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. What is given in triangle ABC? It means in triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle as shown in the figure, और AB is equal to AC is equal to AB. तीनों साइड इक्वल है. And we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. So first of all, what we know that the in a triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So we have to take a side BC, AC, and AB. We know it is given. So first of all, take that is why angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. A BC के सामने का जो एंगल ए है, ए बी के सामने का सी है, और ए सी के सामने का बी है. If all three sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Means you can say that angle C is equal to angle B is equal to angle A. But by angle sum property, we know that their sum will be 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Angle A, in place of B, you write angle A. In place of C, you write angle A. Angle A as it is. So thrice of angle A, that is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 upon 3, that is 60 degree. So angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 60 degree, and angle C is 60 degree because all three are equal. So you write angle B is 60 degree, angle A is 60 degree, and angle C is 60 degree. That's all we have proved.